Hi, this is a quick video to talk about how to remove the bolts that are holding on the outer ring of a primary clutch from a snowmobile or possibly even ATV. These bolts were troublesome to get out. They're in there, they seem in there pretty tight, perhaps with some Loctite. Looks like a bit of green Loctite or something on there. I would say the biggest trick is to get enough leverage on the bolt, and a little bit of heat helps. I use a 1/2 inch breaker bar with the correct Torx bit, and I found that was most effective. I tried a few different methods, but really the key is finding something to hold the clutch tight so you can get enough leverage on removing the bolt. And for that, I use a couple ratchet straps just to my little workbench here. So breaker bar to crack it loose, torch to get a little bit of heat to loosen up the Loctite, and then screwdriver impact wrench to back it out quickly. I've got a couple of them out here, so I know it's working. I will do the last two here on video so you can see how it works.